So for this video, I will show you how to make someone an admin on Discord. So now go ahead and launch the Discord application. Once you're on your server, tap on the three horizontal lines found on the upper left corner of your screen. And then beside your server's name, tap on the three dots, to which a prompt will appear from below. Now there are four icons found under your server's name, and one of which is the settings. Select settings, and then scroll down until you find the roles, which is under user management. Now tap the plus icon found on the lower right to add a new role. Tap new role, and then under role name, you can change this to admin. And then you can select a color for this role. For them to stand out in the server, you can check the display role members separately from online members. Scroll down to the bottom. From here, you will find the advanced permissions. Under advanced permissions is the administrator. By checking the box beside the administrator, you will be granting someone the role of a general administrator. Check the box right beside the administrator. And when you're done, you can now tap the Save button found on the lower right corner. So to appoint someone this role, go back. And once you're in your server, tap on the person that you want to grant this role to. A prompt will appear from below. Select Manage User, and then check the box beside the admin. And then go back, and then tap on the profile picture of that username. And now you will see that the role has been appointed. And that is how you make someone an admin on Discord. Thank you and have a great day.